Go sure fit. Yeah, yeah. Go girl. Show 'em. Go sure fit Johnson. This is your world. Now pose for 'em. Show 'em behind the scenes. Show 'em your long hair, even when it's weave. Show 'em your makeup. Show 'em your real life. Yeah, with the flaws, those DIYs and fashion hauls. I am Surefit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts. Today I'm going to be using curly hair extensions. As you can see, this hair is slightly darker than mine, but it don't matter because people don't be knowing it's weave. This hair is not like super defined. It has like a little bit of definition, but it has a lot of frizz. Why, you may ask? My hair has a lot of frizz. It's big, it's voluminous, and I want to keep up with that same look. So you can also definitely have your hair more defined and then have this more defined as well, but because my hair is not like that, I'm not gonna add clip-ins that are super well defined. And the less definition, the bigger it is, right? I'm gonna start from the bottom into the very top of my head and just add clip-ins. When you've been putting in clip-ins a while, like you really don't have no method to the madness, the back of your nape should start with 2 because it's a smaller section, and then I would go up like 3s, 4s, and then I would include like single ones up here so they're less noticeable. So I am gonna take my 2-piece clip-ins. Got 2 clips, and that's why it's 2-piece. Take the back of my head, and honestly, like I said, I'll be freestyling. I don't section it like to the best of my ability. When I'm going in, I like to go like horizontally, and then clip it up. It's already looking fuller. I'm gonna add like one more in the back. One of the main reasons I don't like doing this is on wet hair and like adding gel throughout the whole thing so it can look more together is because I feel like that can cause a lot of breakage, and I do not want that at all. And the reason I feel like it could cause a lot of breakage is because when your hair dries and you want to take the clip out, the hair is together, and I don't want to be ripping and pulling it apart. So I'm gonna take another 4-piece, land it right smack in the middle. And then I'm gonna come on my edges right here and put my ones. It's 1. I could definitely stop right here, or I could add in some right here. But I think it's full enough. Honestly, from time to time, it literally like just depends on how big I want my hair, because I still have clip-ins left over. I have another two twos, three. Y'all, I need a better way of organizing my hair because it's all over the place. I just threw it on the counter. I still have hair left over and I can make it more voluminous if I want to. But I think right here, it's good. Like, it looks really amazing. I'm thinking of adding two pieces right here, like right in here, because the clip-in is here and then I have all this space right here. This side looks like bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a two-piece clip on this side. I'm SureFit Johnson. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell alerts.